The legend of the Black Tahitian Pearl. One beautiful legend of the Black Tahitian Pearl speaks of how the moon bathes the ocean with its magical light and brings the oysters to the surface. Once they have risen, the moon then mists its heavenly dew upon each and every one of them. In time, the cover of heavenly dew is then polished so delicately until it covers itself in garments of blue, green, gold, and pink, creating the mesmerizing colors of the Tahitian pearl. Many view them as a personal gift from God himself. Dancer 118.